everyone, so I'm here today with a video showing you how to make these little portrait style journal cards, and this is part of a collaboration between Mandy from Sunflower and Doors and Julie from Julie's Papercraft. And this is called Out With a Bang, the Last Days of Summer collaboration. We were actually given kits to use. It wasn't mandatory to use them, but it was just to do videos to inspire people, you know, doing a quick ephemera video, process video of something to do with journals or whatever. And my day was 20th of July, and it was portraits. So in the kit, with the poppy kit, was these lovely Polaroid type things, and I've used images that I have of my own behind there, and I've decorated them. So I will put all the links below. I will put a link to Julie's, I think it's Julie's Etsy. I think it's one's Etsy, one's coffee shop. So I will put the links below in the description box if you want to go over and have a look at their kits. And obviously you see here I've used the poppy kit. I think that was from Mandy's, I'm not sure now. Sunflower and Doors love her poppies, and I am going to be making a poppy journal. And the other one was Julie's, and I think that was gladiolus, and I love gladiolus too. So I will get around to using them kits in their full form soon enough. And yeah, so just stay tuned and you can watch how I make these.